Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to become an Amazon Flex driver. So basically what you have to do is simply go to Amazon Flex, and after that you'll have to simply click on Let's Drive. And as you can see, if you want to start driving and earning today, you have to simply download the app to sign up, and after that you're gonna be able to use your current Amazon account or create a new one if you don't have one, and then you can simply get paid through delivery packages, and you can choose whenever you want to do that. And in order to do that, you're gonna have to be 21 or older, have a valid US driver's license, and have a mid-size or larger vehicle and insurance, and then just have your phone. And basically that's all you have to do in order to become an Amazon Flex driver. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.